Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because today we're diving into something that could save lives. Whether you're cruising down the highway, tackling the morning commute, or heading out for a weekend adventure, your compact SUV should protect you and your loved ones. That's why we're showcasing 10 of the safest compact SUVs that you can buy right now. No rankings, no fluff, just solid options you can count on. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more car content that's both exciting and informative. Now, let's hit the road. Before we jump in, let's talk about safety standards, the benchmarks that determine how well a vehicle can protect its occupants in the event of an accident. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration employs a comprehensive 5-star rating system focusing on 3 critical areas: frontal crash tests, which simulate head-on collisions; side crash tests, evaluating impacts from another vehicle or a fixed object like a pole; and rollover resistance, which assesses a vehicle's stability in sharp turns or evasive maneuvers. On the other hand, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, takes things further with its rigorous testing criteria. Their coveted Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards go to vehicles that excel in crash avoidance and crash protection. This includes evaluations of how well a car prevents accidents through advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking and its performance in high-impact crash scenarios. The IIHS also scrutinizes headlight quality, ensuring drivers have optimal visibility at night, an often overlooked but vital factor in road safety. Each has been carefully engineered and tested to prioritize safety, giving you the peace of mind that you and your loved ones are protected, no matter what the road throws at you. The 2024 Honda CR-V continues its legacy as a popular compact SUV, blending reliability, practicality, and modern design. Building on decades of success, this iteration offers a refined driving experience with updated styling, a spacious and tech-forward interior, and both gas-powered and hybrid powertrains. Known for its family-friendly appeal, the 2024 CR-V boasts improved comfort, enhanced connectivity features, including a larger touchscreen infotainment system, and a suite of convenience options. Its versatile design and exceptional build quality make it a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV segment. Safety remains a key focus for the CR-V, with the 2024 model featuring Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. The NHTSA has awarded the CR-V an impressive 5-star overall safety rating. The IIHS has also recognized the CR-V's safety, awarding it a Top Safety Pick. While it performed well in many IIHS evaluations, it received a poor rating in the updated moderate overlap front crash test, which now includes a rear seat passenger dummy, preventing it from achieving the Top Safety Pick Plus designation. These accolades, while reflecting strong performance in many areas, also highlight the importance of considering all safety evaluations when making a vehicle purchase decision. The Mazda CX-5 is a standout in the compact SUV market, known for its elegant design, agile handling, and premium interior finishes. Since its debut, the CX-5 has consistently prioritized a balance of performance, comfort, and safety, making it a favorite among drivers seeking a more refined driving experience. The 2024 Mazda CX-5 continues this tradition with subtle design updates, a choice of responsive engines, and a suite of advanced features. Its engaging driving dynamics and upscale cabin reflect Mazda's dedication to delivering a vehicle that combines practicality with a touch of luxury. Mazda has long prioritized safety, and the 2024 CX-5 is a testament to this commitment. With standard iActiveSense technology, the CX-5 offers advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Mazda CX-5 has earned a 5-star overall safety rating from NHTSA and a Top Safety Pick from the IIHS. It performed well in IIHS evaluations, including the challenging updated moderate overlap front crash test with a rear seat dummy. While these results highlight Mazda's focus on safety, the CX-5 did not achieve the Top Safety Pick Plus award due to a poor rating in the vehicle-to-vehicle front crash prevention evaluation. Still, it remains a strong choice for safety-conscious drivers. The The Subaru Outback has a long-standing reputation for safety and reliability, catering to those seeking a versatile and dependable vehicle for both daily commutes and outdoor adventures. The 2024 model year continues this tradition, offering a wagon-like alternative to traditional SUVs with standard all-wheel drive and a focus on occupant protection. Subaru has consistently prioritized safety in its vehicles, and the Outback is a prime example, incorporating advanced safety technologies and robust construction to protect occupants in various crash scenarios. The 2024 Subaru Outback boasts impressive safety credentials from both the NHTSA and IIHS. The NHTSA awarded the Outback a 5-star overall safety rating, indicating its strong performance in various crash tests. The IIHS has also recognized the Outback's safety, awarding it a Top Safety Pick for 2024. It's important to note that while the Outback performed well in many IIHS evaluations, it did not achieve the Top Safety Pick Plus designation. All 2024 Outback models come standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. This includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering, pre-collision braking and throttle management, lane departure and sway warning, and lane keep assist. America's best-selling SUV, the Toyota RAV4, isn't just popular, it's also safe. Introduced in the mid-1990s, the RAV4 offered a blend of car-like handling and fuel efficiency with the practicality and versatility of a traditional SUV. Over the years, it has evolved through several generations, consistently improving in terms of design, technology, and safety. The 2024 model year represents the latest iteration of this popular vehicle, building on its established reputation for reliability and practicality while incorporating modern styling and advanced features. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 places a strong emphasis on safety, equipped with a comprehensive suite of active and passive safety features. All models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. In terms of safety ratings, the 2024 RAV4 has earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA, demonstrating its strong performance in government crash tests. The IIHS has also recognized the RAV4's safety, awarding it a Top Safety Pick for 2024. While it performed well in IIHS evaluations, it's important to note that it did not achieve the highest accolade of Top Safety Pick Plus. The Hyundai Tucson has come a long way since its introduction. Initially a more basic compact SUV, Hyundai has invested heavily in transforming the Tucson into a stylish, tech-savvy, and, most importantly, safe vehicle. The 2024 model year represents the culmination of these efforts, showcasing a modern design, a comfortable and feature-rich interior, and a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies. Hyundai's dedication to safety is evident in the Tucson's impressive safety ratings and standard safety features. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson prioritizes safety with its Hyundai Smart Sense suite of advanced safety features. This includes forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, and junction turning detection, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist. These systems are designed to help drivers avoid accidents and protect occupants in the event of a collision. The 2024 Tucson has earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA, demonstrating its strong performance in government crash tests. Furthermore, the IIHS has recognized the Tucson's safety prowess by awarding it the coveted Top Safety Pick Plus for 2024. This top rating reflects the Tucson's strong performance in all IIHS crash tests, including the challenging updated moderate overlap front crash test and good headlight ratings. It's another Subaru on the list, which speaks volumes of this Japanese company's safety prowess. Since its introduction, the Subaru Forester has carved a niche for itself as a practical, reliable, and safe compact SUV. Known for its standard all-wheel drive, spacious interior, and excellent visibility, the Forester has consistently appealed to those seeking a vehicle that can handle various weather conditions and light off-road adventures. Subaru has long prioritized safety in its vehicles, and the Forester has been a consistent leader in safety ratings, earning numerous accolades over the years. The 2025 model year continues this tradition, building upon its strong foundation with further enhancements to its safety technology and structural design. The 2025 Subaru Forester comes standard with EyeSight driver assist technology, a comprehensive suite of active safety features. This includes advanced adaptive cruise control with lane centering, pre-collision braking system, lane departure and sway warning, and lane keep assist. These systems work together to enhance driver awareness, help prevent collisions, and reduce driver fatigue. In terms of crash test performance, the 2025 Forester has earned impressive ratings from both the NHTSA and IIHS. The NHTSA has awarded the Forester a 5-star overall safety rating. The IIHS has recognized the Forester's safety with its highest honor, the Top Safety Pick Plus for 2025, excluding the wilderness trim. This top rating signifies the Forester's excellent performance in all IIHS crash tests, including the challenging updated side impact test and headlight evaluations. It's worth noting that the Forester has received the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award 18 times since 2007, more than any other small SUV. The BMW X1 has long been a popular entry point into the compact luxury SUV segment, offering a combination of performance, efficiency, and premium features. Initially conceived as a nimble and efficient vehicle ideal for urban driving, the X1 has evolved over the years to provide more space, enhanced technology, and a stronger focus on safety. The 2023 model year saw a redesign that introduced updated styling, a more powerful engine lineup, and a refined interior with additional technology features. Importantly, BMW also prioritized safety improvements for this generation, contributing to strong safety ratings from independent testing organizations. This evolution mirrors the broader automotive industry's focus on safety, with compact luxury SUVs like the X1 incorporating advanced systems to protect occupants. The 2023 BMW X1 features advanced safety technologies to help prevent accidents and enhance awareness. Key highlights include the Active Driving Assistant, which bundles frontal collision warning with city collision mitigation to detect and reduce collision impact, lane departure warning to prevent unintended lane drifts, and speed limit information to help drivers follow posted limits. It also includes active blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert for added safety during lane changes and reversing. While NHTSA ratings for the 2023 model are not available, the X1 earned the Top Safety Pick Plus award from the IIHS, excelling in crash tests and receiving high marks for side impact performance and headlights, ensuring safety in real-world scenarios. Volvo has long been synonymous with automotive safety, pioneering many safety technologies that are now commonplace in the industry. The XC60, a mid-size luxury SUV, embodies this commitment. From its inception, the XC60 has prioritized occupant protection, combining robust structural design with advanced safety systems. The 2024 model year builds on this legacy, offering a refined driving experience and a comprehensive suite of safety features. Volvo's dedication to safety is deeply ingrained in its brand identity, and the XC60 serves as a prime example of this commitment in the modern automotive landscape. The 2024 Volvo XC60 comes standard with a wide array of safety features, including City Safety, Volvo's comprehensive collision avoidance system. This system includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist, and large animal detection, as well as intersection support. Lane keeping aid and runoff road mitigation are also standard, helping to prevent unintentional lane departures and mitigate the consequences of leaving the roadway. Blind spot information system, which includes cross-traffic alert, further enhances driver awareness. In terms of crash test performance, the 2024 Volvo XC60 has earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. However, it's important to note a recent development with the IIHS ratings. While the XC60 has historically performed exceptionally well, the IIHS has recently updated its side crash test to be more demanding. As a result, the 2024 Volvo XC60 earned a Top Safety Pick award from the IIHS, but did not achieve the Top Safety Pick Plus designation due to an acceptable rating in the updated side crash test. This change highlights the evolving nature of safety testing and the IIHS efforts to continuously raise the bar for vehicle safety. This change in rating, while significant, should be viewed in the context of the IIHS making their tests more stringent. The XC60 still provides excellent safety. The Kia Sportage has undergone a remarkable transformation, evolving from a basic SUV to a stylish and well-regarded compact crossover. Kia has invested significantly in improving the Sportage's design, technology, and, crucially, its safety features. The 2024 model year exemplifies this commitment, offering a comfortable and spacious interior, a variety of efficient powertrains, and a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies. This focus on safety aligns with the broader automotive industry trend of prioritizing occupant protection and equipping vehicles with systems designed to prevent accidents and mitigate their consequences. The 2024 Kia Sportage prioritizes safety with its Kia DriveWise suite of advanced driver assistance systems. This suite includes forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, and junction turning detection, which can help prevent collisions with vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, even when turning at intersections. Lane keeping assist and lane following assist help keep the vehicle centered in its lane, reducing the risk of unintentional lane departures. Driver attention warning monitors driver behavior and can provide alerts if signs of drowsiness or inattention are detected. High beam assist automatically adjusts the headlights between high and low beams depending on surrounding traffic conditions. In terms of crash test performance, the 2024 Sportage has earned impressive ratings from both the NHTSA and IIHS. The NHTSA has awarded the Sportage a 5-star overall safety rating. The IIHS has also recognized the Sportage's safety, awarding it a Top Safety Pick for 2024. While a very respectable achievement, it's important to note that the Sportage did not achieve the highest possible rating of Top Safety Pick Plus. The Audi Q5 has firmly established itself as a strong contender in the luxury compact SUV segment. Its blend of sophisticated design, refined driving dynamics, and advanced technology has consistently drawn buyers seeking a premium driving experience. Alongside these desirable attributes, Audi has also prioritized safety, integrating innovative safety technologies into the Q5's engineering and design. The 2023 model year continues this commitment, offering a combination of luxurious features and a focus on occupant protection. The 2023 Audi Q5 is equipped with a suite of safety systems designed to enhance driver awareness and help prevent accidents. Standard features include Audi Pre-Sense Basic, which prepares the vehicle for a potential collision by taking actions such as tightening seatbelts and closing windows and the sunroof. Audi Pre-Sense City adds automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, enhancing safety in urban environments. Lane departure warning and high beam assist are also standard. For those seeking even greater levels of safety technology, available options include adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, active lane assist, and a head-up display. In terms of crash test performance, the 2023 Audi Q5 has achieved excellent results. The IIHS has recognized the Q5's safety performance, awarding it a Top Safety Pick for 2023. While a very respectable achievement, it's important to note that the 2023 Q5 did not achieve the highest possible rating of Top Safety Pick Plus due to an acceptable rating in the updated side crash test. That concludes our look at 10 of the safest compact SUVs you can buy today. Which of these SUVs caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Until next time, drive safe.